Hi and welcome to my channel. My name is Khushboo, and in this video we will be going through my daily morning routine. I will go through it step by step as a flow so you can join me, and if any or all feels aligned with you, you can apply that to your morning routine as well. So this is something I practice every day. It's not a vinyasa flow, it's just movement that I do that really helps me open up my body before sitting for meditation. So I wake up, I have some water, I brush my teeth, wash my face, and I get into this morning movement. So we're just gonna start standing and just allow your knees to soften here. Drop the shoulders down. We're gonna start with our feet here. So just bring your weight to your left leg. Just lift your right leg and start to roll your ankle joint to one side and to the other. Slowly release and switch. And slowly release. Bring your knees and legs together. Bring your hands to your knees. Just roll your knees, circle them to one side and to the other. Slowly coming back, standing back up. Open your feet about hip width apart. Arms can just hang on the side or rest on your hips. Start to make circles with your hips. And imagine you're drawing a circle with your pubic bone or your sacrum. Just visualize a nice, smooth circle on your mat. And we're going to switch other direction. These are just warming up our joints, the parts that we don't give much attention to, coming back to center, but is very important. Open up the arms, circle to the back, and switch inward. Okay, now reach your arms up, clasp your fingers, stretch to the sky, and lift your heels. So finding that balance on your toes, keep lengthening the arms, the side body. If you lose out of balance, that's okay, just come right back up. Deepen the breath. You can choose to stay here however long it feels good. I like to stay for about 5 to 10 breaths here. And release your heels down. Open your arms to the side. Spread your fingers wide. Inhale here. Exhale, close into a fist and point it down. Inhale, open fingers wide. Exhale, fist down. Inhale, close. Exhale. Inhale to open, exhale to close. Just keep going here. Keep breathing. And slowly release. Bring your fingers together, just warming up the wrist joints. And switch other direction. And release. Feet about hip width apart. Start to twist your upper body. Let your arms be jelly here. Option to let it tap your kidneys. Maybe one hand on your chest, one hand on your kidney. Just to activate, to stimulate, to release any stuck energy in our organs as we lubricate our joints, our spine. After laying on the bed for 6 to 8 hours, all these practices are so important. Again, you can go it however long you want and slowly come back to center. Now coming into spinal waves, starting at the crown of your head. Just allowing the spine to make waves. It doesn't have to look the same. Just really connecting inward here. You can close your eyes. Breathe. Again, finding space between each vertebrae of your spine here. And slowly come back to center. Open your feet, coming into a squat. Now if you need support here, you're welcome to grab any block, any props, any blanket underneath your heels, palms together, lengthen the spine, deepen the breath. Again, I like to stay for about 5 deep breaths here. And as you inhale, really feel your belly expanding towards your thighs. You can gently rock side to side if that feels good. Now you're welcome to stay here for a while longer, or if it feels okay for you, as you inhale, press into your feet, reach and rise up. Exhale, lower back down. We're going to do 5 rounds. Inhale, press and reach. Exhale, lower back down. Inhale, really press your pinky toe, your big toe, and your heels down here. Inhale to reach and rise. Exhale, lower down. Last one. Inhale. Exhale. Now inhale just to come up. Exhale, release. Bring your feet together. You can start to shake. Now shake out your legs. Shake out your arms, your fingers. And slowly start to bounce. Bounce your heels up and down. You can shake your arms to the side. Just find a shaking movement throughout your whole body. You can rock and twist side to side. Just do whatever feels good. You can even make a sigh as you exhale. You can bring your shoulders up. You can make a sound. Just anything you need right now as you bring your blood circulating, as you release any stuck energy, any tightness. And slowly come back to stillness. Close your eyes, take a moment to feel, to notice all the sensations as you deepen your breath. As you feel your heart rate. Maybe you feel any tingling sensations in your fingers. You really feel that energy moving throughout your whole body. When you're ready, you can open your eyes. We're going to go into what is called the 6 lymph. So these are the points of our lymph nodes in the body, and when we stimulate them, our lymphatic system is a system of our body where our toxins get released. And so when we tap and stimulate these points, it just helps our toxins release a little better. So we're gonna start at the back of our ears. So you feel a bone, it's inside of the bone, so that soft flesh feeling, just start to rub it downwards. And I like to cross just because it's easier. And then tap. And come onto our clavicle, so the bone in our upper chest, just above our clavicle, start to rub it. Again, it's easier to do it with opposite arms. Start to rub that area, and you can go gentle here because it can get a bit sensitive, and then start to tap. And bring your right hand, just press it underneath your chest, so right in between your belly button and your chest. Again, this is a sensitive area, so just start to slowly, gently rub it and tap. And then the flesh right next to your armpit. Start to rub it, and even underneath your armpit, start to tap that whole area. And switch, other side. And tap. And coming into your hip crease here. So right by above your thigh into your pubic bone, just start to rub there and tap. And the last one, behind your knees. So just over here, start to rub them and tap. And you can just tap. I like to just tap all over my body. Tap your kidneys at the back, digestive system, your liver, your stomach, your heart, maybe your face. I just like to go all over. Crown of your head, back of your neck, your arms. And just bring your arms by your side. Keep your eyes open. And just notice what is in front of you. Connecting to that power of presence as you identify 3 beautiful things right in front of you. And just sending gratitude to those beautiful things right now. Thank you for joining me in my daily morning routine. I hope this might help you in some way. It definitely does help me start my day on a positive note. And it really helps as well to get seated into my meditation and find that sense of stillness. And yeah, I hope it helps you too. Thank you so much, and I will see you next time.